What's happening, folks? Gerald here, aka JFro90, coming at you with another reaction, another Kate Bush reaction. And this is the first time I'm doing a Kate Bush song that I've already, done. This is Kate Bush Running Up That Hill, but live, and this is live with David Gilmour. I've never heard of him, but welcome to the channel, David Gilmour. And why I chose this song to do live and now is because for the week prior to Halloween, hopefully everything goes well to where this will be up in the week prior to Halloween. I'm choosing songs and videos that have an eeriness, a spookiness, maybe inspires costumes, inspires looks, and you could just hear at a great Halloween party or a great Halloween vibe. And Running Up That Hill has always been that song for me. Like I said, I've always been, not always, but I've been familiar with that song for a few years. And I love it for that. And then if I had this idea way back when I did the video, I probably would have waited to do the video until now, but I'm glad I did the video when I did. And frankly, too, because doing the video when I did, it made the song basically my song of the summer and probably my most listened to song of 2022. I imagine Spotify will have those results really soon. But anyway, excited to see this live performance. I've never seen a live Kate Bush performance, and so I'm very excited to see this song translate live. So before we get to it, I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications for those of you who have it. And now, without further ado, this is Kate Bush and David Gilmour live with Running Up That Hill. Hang on. These live instruments are phenomenal. I don't know who David Gilmour is. I'm thinking it's him, homie with the mullet. And I love that mullet. If I can make a wig of that mullet, I just might. That's a perfect mullet for me. But anyway, loving this. And I'm this is making me want to talk a lot, so I'm gonna save it to the end. But these live instruments, is bringing a whole new element to the song. But again, let me save this for the end. Get back to it. that was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. My God, that was that. I gotta rip that audio right this second. That's like a companion piece to the song because it gave the song an entirely revamped energy. It's like a hard rock energy that added, and I love that. I love the band. Oh my, the drums. I don't know if you could tell, but I would loving every minute the drums had a moment to shine, and just everything about that was perfect. Everything I would pair that with the recorded version, seriously, and whew, definitely fit the vibe I was hoping to get out of a live version of this. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. More Kate Bush in the comments for sure, absolutely. And I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please go ahead and like it, subscribe it, ring the bell for notifications. If you'd like to share this on social media, I'd appreciate that. If you'd like to follow me on social media, that information is in the description below. I would love that as well. And if you'd like to tip me, donate, sponsor a request, or just plain donate, that's in the description too, and would be extremely helpful. Times is changing, so that will be very helpful in this time right now. And as well, if you'd like to join my Patreon, you can become a patron on the Patreon. On there, you're going to get benefits like early access to videos like these and Patreon only videos like these. And then just lastly, beyond everything else, in conclusion, oh yeah, Patreon stuff is in the description too. Beyond everything else, I thank each and every one of you for even pushing play on this video. It all means a lot. It all goes a long way. You guys have a happy Halloween, and please take care of yourselves and each other. I can feel everything that I wanted.